Welcome to the LBGTQVC network, where we have a question for you. Do you not have enough visitors coming to your door? From the makers of the door knockers and truck nuts, we give you the Gay Doorbell. What's that, you ask? No ding, just donk.
Are you tired of receiving packages that are far from impressive? Then order the Gay Doorbell today. And before you know it, packages will be showing up bigger than you know what to do with.
Let's take our first call. And now we have our first caller from Jonatown, VA. Is this Miss Reba Beavers I'm speaking to?
Yes, it is.
I hear you have some words to share about the Gay Doorbell.
Oh, do you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
About the Gay Doorbell, I got it hung on my back door.
Fantastic. The first 69 callers will receive a free gift. It's a penis cozy, but remember, this is a recession, so 12 inches or less. So don't waste any more time. Get your Gay Doorbell today because the operators are standing by to fill your order.
I don't be mixing with these fake hoes. Yeah, I'm the real thing, no fools go. I'm ch-ch-chi, I make your head grow.